Congratulations on taking this step for your family and loved ones. Let's take a look at this together to help you get started. So here's the sample will for John Doe. You'll see that the first blank, you're going to state your name, a resident of where you're from. I declare that I am. You'll say that if you're single, you'll say that you're single, or if you're married, who are you married to? I have either no children if you have no children, or name your children here. Disposition of estate. Where does your stuff go? So don't feel like you have to get fancy here or overly complicated. Just designate where your stuff's going to go. So this example, first to my wife, Jane Doe. If she predeceases, dies before, then equally to my children, Frank Doe and Billy Doe. So that's a good sample line that you could copy if that matches your wishes. If you're married and you want to give things first to your wife, then to your children. If we've given you some more examples of up here in the key terms, you might want to leave some specific gifts of items. If you do, make sure you include a residue clause is what we call it. The residue clause says where everything else goes after you make the specific gifts. Okay, so say where you want things to go. Personal representative, who's going to be in charge? So name who you want to be in charge of your estate. And then this line is for the backup choice, the next best choice. If you have minor children here, this is where you would name who you want to be their guardian. First choice and then second choice. This is governed under the laws of the state of Arizona. And I included the place in the law where it says that you can make a holographic or a handwritten will. So the undersigned, I want you to print your name again one more time just to make it clear that this is in your handwriting. And then you'll sign this, print your name, and date it. And that's how you make a valid last will and testament. Pretty easy, no more excuses. Get it done. Let's say you can't print it, your printer's not working, then write something out by hand that follows this, and that will be valid. But it's really easy. I want you to get this done today so your family is protected. If you have any more questions, you can reach out to our law firm.